sock? Did you lose your sock? Aspen, why are you bouncing so much? Did you lose your sock? Did you lose your sock? You're such a happy girl. You be still. I want to show everybody your face. Did you lose your sock? Did you lose your sock? Are you a happy girl? Stop bouncing. Aspen. Boo. Boo. Did you lose your sock? Look at you. Look at you going, you bouncer. But you lost your sock. Yes, you did lose your sock. Yes, you did lose your sock. And I did. Are you wired from apple juice? Are you wired from your apple juice? Are you showing everybody what you can do? Here, let's stop for a second. Let's stop bouncing. Missy, hey, say hi, everyone. You only got one sock on. You only got one sock on. Oh, little bug. You would never say we go. Haboo. Haboo. Boo. Bye-bye, everyone. Aspen, 5 months. Signing off.